Welcome to Chef Jamie's Kitchen, and today's I'm going to show you something amazing, one of the best recipe. But before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like. Thank you. You know that feeling that when sometimes you have a particular feeling for food and you can't do nothing but wonder what to do? Well, this is the moment. I'm going to show you how to prepare one of the amazing fish, a beer battered fish with a pinch of garlic, and alongside I'm going to serve it with garlic mashed potato and hollandaise sauce. For my ultimate fish, I'll do crunchy beer battered fish, and to make sure that the fish it's crunchy, I'm going to marinate it with some salt. This is going to absorb excess water. Rub it nicely and set it inside the fridge for quite some time, almost 10 minutes. For the beer battered, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of white flour, some salt, black pepper, paprika, and some fish masala. I'm going to beat in 1 egg. And pour in my beer via whisk. This is the ultimate, one of the best crunchy fish you can ever have. I'm going to give it a very nice whisk. I add some beer, drop by drop, to make a quite thin consistency. This is the consistency of double cream thick. I'm going to set it aside to make sure that the flour incorporates well, while I add some baking powder, quite a pinch. Now the season have worked its magic. I'm going to rub the fish through the flour to make sure that the marination doesn't flow, and then dip it inside my butter. I'm going to test if my oil is hot by dropping few drops. You see those bubbles? That simply means the oil is ready. I'm going now to dip my fish inside my beard butter nicely. Slap it across the wall of the bowl to make sure I drain excess butter, and now dip it slowly and deep fry, and then you turn your fish. This is magic. Nicely. Make sure you don't burn yourself. It's very crunchy. When it's golden brown and crunchy, your fish is ready. I'm going to set it aside. Meanwhile, drain the excessive oil. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare our hollandaise sauce. We're going to melt butter, 100 grams. Then again, I'm going to beat my egg. I'm interested with the egg yolk. Beat the 2 egg yolk. Cut the lemon. We're interested with the lemon juice. I do substitute my vinegar with the lemon juice. Squeeze it in. Put it in, on top of almost boiling water. We're going to cook it with the steam and whisk it continuously. If you're going to put this direct to the heat, your eggs will scramble and you'll not have your hollandaise sauce. Nice, like this one. I wanted it like a thick mustard. Insert your spoon. Yeah, like that one. This is amazing. For you to keep the custard, your sauce warm, leave it on top of the water, still steaming. Meanwhile, let's continue with our mashed potato. I'm going to season with some salt and some fenugreek. We call it methi, and give it a nice mixed. I'm going to add a pinch of butter. Mash it together. And there we go. Our garlic mashed potato is much than ready. Going to set it aside. Hollandaise sauce. Whisk it a little bit. Season it with some salt and some black pepper. Pinch. Give it a nice mix. There we go. This is amazing. Now we are going to prep our fish with mashed potato. This is one of the most ultimate beer battered fish. I'm going to prep it nicely, because first thing we do, we eat the presentation. Now take my fish, put it alongside my mashed potato. Nicely. Then take my sauce while still warm. And there's two people in this world: those who like their sauce aside, and those who like it sprinkled on top of their food. So my question is, which one are you? This is really amazing. I like it. Kosher. Most comforting food has to come from fish and mashed potato, but definitely with hollandaise sauce. I'm going to give it a taste on your behalf. Oh, I like this, especially the pinch of black pepper inside. Nice. Bon appetit.